Hello everyone. Today we'll try to solve few typical trigonometric problems. If you can follow me properly, then you should be able to solve any trigonometric problem by your own without any help. Okay, let's start. Without using trigonometric tables, we have to evaluate the value of this one. Okay, so it's quite complicated from the initial looks. If you can look into this, actually, before we start, I would like to tell you that every trigonometric problems, okay, like you will, if you can look thoroughly or minutely, you should be able to identify a solution from that itself. Okay, first of all, our main objective is to identify a relationship. Okay, here you can see multiple different angles, like here it is tan 25, the lower part is 65, here it is again 25, 65, 18, 45, 72, right? Tan 45 we know it has a value, right? It's equal to 1. But here, if you look into these two, right, you will find a relationship. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay. Here 25 we can write as tan 90 minus 65. Here also 72 degree can be written as 90 minus 18 degree, right? So we have already defined the relationship between these two. Okay. So let's start. Let's write 25 degree tan 25 as tan 90 minus 65. We just modified this 25 degree to 90 minus 65. Same way here we changed it 72 as 90 minus 18. Here also we changed 90 minus 65. Okay, so we converted tan 90 minus theta to cot theta. Here also cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta using this, and here also tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay, now cot theta equal to what? Cos theta by sin theta. Cosec theta equal to sin 1 by sin theta. Okay, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, so if you can remove the common parts from upper and lower, so it will become like this. The left hand side it is cos 65 degree square plus sin 68 degree square plus 2 tan 45, right? So it is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is equal to 1, and 2 tan 45 equal to 1. So that means the answer is 3. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is also same. Okay, we have been asked to evaluate the values of this one, the entire thing. Okay, without using any trigonometric tables. Here also you can see there is a relationship, right? 29 plus 61 equal to 90 degree. So 29 can be written as 90 minus 61. Here also you can see 8. Here it is 82. Okay, so either you can write 82 degree as 90 minus 8 or 8 as 90 minus 82. Here also it is 17 and 73. Here also 38 and 52. So one can be written as 90 minus theta. Okay, so let's start. So we have written as 29 as 90 minus 61. Here also we have written 8 as 90 minus 82. Okay, 45 we are not changing. 17 also we have written as 90 minus 73, and others we are keeping as same. Okay, on the right hand side, sorry, on this part we are changing to sin 38 degree is same, and sin square 52 degree as 90 minus 82. Okay, so as sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. Okay, using this cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. And same way we are just converting cot 73 degree as 1 by tan 73 degree, cot 82 as 1 by tan 82, minus here like sine square 90 minus theta equal to cos square theta. So that means cos square 30 degree. Okay, so just okay, just discussing the common part. Okay, here also tan 82, tan 82, and there is another one on the upper and lower part, tan 73 degrees and tan 73 degree, and this part will become 1. So that means here it is 1, it is 2, cot 45 degree. Now cot 45 degree equal to 1, and after minus it is 3, right? Because this part is becoming 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that means the answer is 1 plus 2 minus 3. That means 0 is the answer. Okay, got it? The next one, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, here there is a catch. You can see we have 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so somehow we have to remove the lower part, because in the right hand side there is no lower part available. Okay, so that is a catch. So let's start with the left hand side. Okay, so just to remove the lower part, somehow we have to change it to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, just to make it, we have to, what we have to do, we have to multiply both upper and lower part as with 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so the upper part will become sin theta into 1 minus cos theta, and lower part as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to what? Is equal to sin square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this sin theta and this 1 sin theta will be adjusted. So it will become 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So if we just uh, like make it 1 by sin theta minus 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, it will become 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta, cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. So that is right hand side. Okay, simple. The next one, cosec to the power 4 theta minus cosec square theta equal to cot to the power 4 theta plus cot square theta. Okay, so let's start with the left hand side. What we're doing, we're taking a common cosec square theta. So under bracket it will become cosec square theta minus 1. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, right? That we know already. So cosec square theta, that means cosec square theta minus 1. If we move 1 this side and cot square theta that side, that means cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. And cosec square theta equal to, if we move this that side, that means cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so now just multiply and just remove the bracket. Okay, and by using by multiplying cos square theta with 1 and this one, it will become cos square theta cot to the 4 theta. So that is right hand side. Okay, proved. So apparently every trigonometric problems, okay, initially looks very critical, but basically if you uh, if you follow the tricks properly, every problem is unique and very easy. Okay, as well as very interesting. So this one, but look and feel, it seems quite critical. Okay, and the right hand side is simple cot theta. So definitely we'll start with the left hand side. So here 1 minus sin square theta, right? You can see. So our objective is to make it simple. If we are having tan theta, we'll see like if we can break it to sin theta cos theta like that. Okay, here we can see is a 1, there is a sin square theta. As we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we can directly write here as cos theta. So it will become, okay, and sin theta, we're not changing it. So it is basically 1, that means a square minus b square. Okay, so we know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta, sorry, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so that means we can take 1 plus cos theta as common, and so in between under bracket it will be 1 minus this part, right? And so here we are having 1 plus cos theta on the upper side, upper portion, and 1 plus cos theta on the upper portion. So we can remove both. Okay, so it will become 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. If you remove the bracket, so 1 will be removed, this minus and minus will be adjusted, so it will become cos theta by sin theta. That means cot theta, that is right hand side. Quite simple, right? Okay, so moving to the next one, tan to the power cube theta minus 1 equal to tan theta minus 1. Okay, the right hand side is 6 square theta plus tan theta. Okay, apparently quite critical, right? Definitely we'll start with the left hand side. Now we know there is a formula of a cube minus b cube, right? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here it is a, we can consider tan theta as a, so that means a cube minus 1 as 1 cube. So we can convert this to tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Okay, so here tan theta minus 1 and tan theta minus 1 we can remove from both the upper and lower part. So what remains? Tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. So now we know that tan square theta plus 1 equal to 6 square theta. So we can write 6 square theta plus tan theta, that is equal to right hand side. Okay, proved. So from this problem you can see, right, apparently on the very initial level it seems quite critical, but we have just solved it in how many steps? 1 2 3 4 5 steps, right? Okay, and it's quite simple, isn't it? We have to prove that sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so let's start with the left hand side. So left hand side it becomes cos theta into sin theta, because sin 90 minus theta we know that it's equal to cos theta and cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Now take a pause over here and look into the right hand side. In the right hand side you can see we have a tan theta. Okay, and till now we have cos theta into sin theta. So here we need a cos theta below that, right? Because we know that sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So what we will do? We'll take a cos theta, I mean as a load, right? Below sin theta. That means we'll multiply cos theta in the upper and lower part. Okay. So that means if we choose sin, I mean if you consider this, so it will become sin theta and cos theta, and this cos theta and this cos theta, it will become cos square theta. Okay. So this sin theta and cos theta will become tan theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 by 6 square theta. So 1 by 6 square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta, right? That means tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So that is the right hand side. Okay, this is another example of typical trigonometric problems, right? It's a very simple, but here is a catch. So you have to look every step, or you have to think every step very minutely. Okay, so here we have to prove that root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. So left hand side we have a square root, and also there is a lower part. On the right hand side we don't have any square root, right? And also there is no lower part available. Okay, so somehow we have to transform this part, or we have to remove the square root, and also you have to remove the lower part. Okay, just to do that, maybe we can multiply the lower part, or we can convert this lower part to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, because we know that 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So to do that, what we have to do? We have to multiply both upper and lower part with root 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so then the upper part will become root of 1 minus cos theta whole square, and the lower part will become root 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so the lower part will become root 1 minus cos square theta, and the upper part will become 1 minus cos theta, as this there is a square root of square, right? 1 minus cos theta square. So ultimately this will be adjusted. Okay, so the lower part will become sin theta, because root 1 minus cos square theta equal to ultimately root sin square theta. So it will convert to sin theta. So if you remove the bracket, it will become 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. Okay, so hence proved. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe, like and share to get regular notification. In my next video I will solve few further technical problems for you. Thank you and take care.